Coming to the next topic, incentives. What are incentives? They are all the measures that an organization takes to motivate their workers for better performance. We were talking about the motivators. So these incentives, these incentives are the motivators, different employees. There could be two types of incentives that we are going to be discussing over here: financial incentives and non-financial incentives. First financial incentive that we talk about is pay and allowances. Now, if you come to talk of it, salary is not really an incentive. It is just a reward for your performance. It is just a reward for your performance. You perform and you get your salary. But in today's competitive world, people are ready to pay salary higher than what is prevalent in the market if you have that zing in you. So this definitely turns out to be an incentive to have that something extra, to have that extra spark in you, so that people are ready to pay you higher than other people working in the same capacity. Second, productivity linked wages, wherein if we say that if you manufacture, this is generally for the workers, if we set their production target कि दिन में normally सभी लोग 50 units बना पाते हैं, ठीक है, people are able to make 50 units of softwares every day, right? If any worker is able to produce more than 50, so every extra unit that you have produced more than 50, for that you are going to get double the payment. You are going to get double the payment. Then you see the productivity of people. People will turn up producing 70, 80, even 100, right? Because for that extra number of units that they are going to produce, they are going to get double the amount of payment. This is productivity linked wages. That's also an incentive. Then comes your bonus. Bonus is you are given bonus by the company to reward for your as a reward for your performance. It's only if you perform well, depending upon आपने कितनी sales की है या आपने जो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी डिज़ाइन की है उससे सेल्स कितनी बढ़ी, ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ बोनस दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इज टू बी decided, and this is generally given by the companies during the festive seasons, right? After this comes, this is basically when you achieve your target performance, for that you get a bonus, ठीक है. उसके बाद आ जाता है profit sharing. This is a new concept that the corporates have come up with, wherein employers and employees, they enter into an agreement according to which employees are given a share in the profit in addition to their regular salaries. Now, if you give them a share in the company's profit in addition to the salary, normal salaries, they'll be motivated to work more. They are going to be feeling as a part of the organization. ठीक है, वो जितना बेटर काम करेंगे, जितने अच्छे रिजल्ट्स होंगे, सो देयर शेयर इन दैट प्रॉफिट, तो उनका हरदम मोटिव क्या होगा, टू एक्सपैंड दैट प्रॉफिट फिगर, सो दैट उनका वट एवर मिनिस्क्यूल परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रॉफिट है, they are able to make it as huge as possible. Then stock option. Stock option is a plan whereby the employees of an organization, they are able to get the shares of that company at a price which is much lower than the market price of those shares, and by buying the shares of the company, they become a owner, they become one of the owners of the company. They feel that there's a sense of belongingness amongst the employees, and definitely higher the profit of the company, higher would be the amount of the dividends that is going to go into their pockets. You give retirement benefits, that is of your pension, gratuity, ठीक है, ये सब मिलता है provident fund. Then we talk about perquisites. Perquisites होते हैं आपके, you get घर फ्री दे दिया आपको, मोबाइल फ्री दे दिया, ठीक है, मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस फ्री दे दी, फाइन. दे ऑल परफॉर्म अ पार्ट ऑफ CTC, दैट इज योर कॉस्ट टू द कंपनी. दीज आर ऑल्सो योर फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव्स कि आपको घर फ्री मिलेगा, गाड़ी मिलेगी, ड्राइवर मिलेगा, फोन मिलेगा, राइट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज फ्री. दीज आर ऑल perquisites. राइट. कमिंग टू द नॉन फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव्स, ये तो फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव्स हैं कि इनसे मुझे पैसा मिलेगा, दैट इज वाई आई एम मोटिवेटेड टू वर्क बेटर. दीज आर योर नॉन फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट्स, दैट मीन्स इट डजंट इन्वॉल्व एनी काइंड ऑफ मॉनिटरी गेन, बट येट दे मोटिवेट द एम्प्लॉयज टू perform to the best of their abilities. Number one, status. Now, what is meant by status? Status means giving ranks to the positions in the organization, and the authority responsibility, the perquisites, the rewards, the recognition and prestige of such rank indicates a status given to an employee holding such position. When we say that he is the general manager, he is the general manager, चाहे वो मतलब चाहे जब वो DGM था, डेप्यूटी जनरल मैनेजर था, काम तब भी वही सारा कर रहा था. He was performing the same task, right, more or less. But now अगर उसको आपने जनरल मैनेजर का स्टेटस दे दिया है, so you have satisfied his esteem needs. You've satisfied his esteem needs, right? Then career growth opportunity. Now career growth opportunity, when employees should be provided with opportunities to improve upon their skills, right, by giving appropriate, by sending them for appropriate training programs, by sending them for appropriate training programs, so that they are abreast with the changes which have been coming up, right? Now employees should be provided with opportunities to improve upon their skills and should be promoted to higher levels of authority, as everybody wants to grow up to the higher levels. They should be encouraged to attend skill development programs, and such a policy of an organization, if it's a policy of the organization to organize, you know, these growth and development programs every now and then, ठीक है. और अगर एम्प्लॉय को ये पता है कि ये okay, I'll tell you an example. In an organization, अगर एक बहुत बड़ा